Are you a web developer who has just received a contract to create a LearnDash course and now planning to finish the jobs in a month or two? Well, we have good news for you. We have just launched an exclusive developer edition of LearnDash Fast Course Creator plugin that can import courses, quizzes, assign them to each course from Excel file or CSV. You can also import users to courses. This plugin will take away your pain of creating courses and tedious quiz setup manually. It also lets you import users in bulk and enroll them to different courses swiftly. This plugin eliminates 90% of repetitive work and lets you charge premium rates for lightning-fast delivery. When clients ask for quotes, you can now promise delivery in days instead of weeks. While your competitors are still manually building courses, you're already presenting the finished product. The plugin's modular architecture means you can handle complex requirements without writing custom code. Bulk user enrollment, negative marking for quizzes, advanced course structures, it's all built in and ready to deploy. While you're manually building courses, smart developers are using the Fast Course Creator to deliver projects faster and cheaper than ever before. They're winning the bids you're losing and charging premium rates for rapid delivery. Don't let another month go by watching competitors land the projects you should be winning. First, download and install the LearnDash Fast Course Creator plugin. Once activated, you'll find 3 powerful submenus under the main LD Fast Course Creator menu. To import courses, simply download the CSV or Excel template from the plugin settings page. This template is your roadmap to success. Just fill it by replacing the demo data with your actual course content. After filling the template with your course information, click the Upload button and select your saved template file. Hit the Proceed button and watch your courses import within seconds. What used to take hours now happens instantly. Next, navigate to the Quiz Importer menu and download the import template. This works exactly like the course importer. Fill the template with your quiz questions and answers, then upload it. Your quizzes will automatically list under the appropriate courses, perfectly organized and ready to use. No more clicking through endless quiz creation screens or manually typing questions one by one. Want to add negative marking to your quizzes? You'll find the negative marks option right in the Quiz Builder widget. This professional feature is perfect for certification courses and competitive exams. Remember, negative marks work with single answer and free answer questions, giving you the flexibility to create sophisticated assessment systems that clients love to pay premium prices for. Finally, the user importer handles what used to be the most tedious part of any LearnDash project. Fill the user data template with your student information and upload it using the simple drag-and-drop interface. That's it. Your students aren't just registered, they're automatically enrolled in their courses. No manual assignments, no forgotten enrollments, no client complaints about access issues. The results speak for themselves. What you just saw represents a complete transformation of your LearnDash workflow. Tasks that previously took days now take minutes. Complex features that required custom coding are now point-and-click simple. The LearnDash Fast Course Creator isn't just a plugin, it's your competitive advantage. Faster delivery, higher margins, happier clients, and more profitable projects. Your development business deserves tools that work as hard as you do. Stop spending your valuable time on repetitive tasks and start focusing on what you do best, solving complex problems and building amazing learning experiences. Ready to transform your LearnDash development business? Get the LearnDash Fast Course Creator today and start delivering projects that make your competitors wonder how you do it so fast. The plugin pays for itself on your very first project, and every project after that is pure profit increase. Your clients get better results faster, and you get to charge premium rates for rapid delivery. Don't spend another week doing manually what this plugin can do in minutes. Your future self will thank you for making this investment today.